都是就给我个讲着了呢。对嘛，那要打破了，要么打破了，么是不是？
摸就摸多少呀
Is it a weight punter?
It's fun, but it's kind of like in a category where you have
只要
to
这
like
这就要公的了。
呀，打破就
if you lose, you want to make more power, make more power, make more power. You're always searching for that power. So I kind of just want like an all motor just to drive around. And,
根本才个都几分钟了嘛？
I'm
不是
good.
几分钟了，几个还有。
I just want like
寂寞
a.
呢？不要这样，
Try it. Just try it.
寂寞呢？
I don't want to fucking.
Nah, because we're probably gonna be pushing kids.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because the Lugo company here, huh?
Yeah.
Your trim now.
Yeah.
他不知道节目怎么那个那个到了？
哎，这个多少份？
我打算。
Four-door just heard that I'm gonna get painted.
Hey, do you guys ship?
B20 in there.
You guys ship out of state?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah,
I
then
ship
that's
all the
my
time.
B20V.
Go, ito premature.
And then like the fucking head is like stock like
Yeah, you can
200.
pay
Oh, 35?
Couple hole, huh?
The fucking Civic
Chiha,
Type.
this is brother New York in
So my
box.
friend is a
Oh,
Bill.
yeah?
Yeah,
你到你有
Yeah, right here.
他种是吧？你他种的飞啊？
yeah, you got on.
So that's my GSR.
这个别这么别上这里，
哦，冇我先 check 嘅，咁俾啊。
那么少的。
你個 check 啊，
Mirrors,
咁
engine
啊，
manifold,
咱别看。
fucking
check
head,
咁俾個，冇 box 冇 a zero number everything 啫。
Yeah, so you
I have
are crazy.
GSR, I have
Why don't you put that one in?
I have LS.
You wanna try it?
GSR is the one that's broken.
I don't smoke, man.
煮啊，煮好煮
Yeah,
啊，
you don't put it B16 too.
煮好煮。
Even
It's in
I'm
box?
a Civic Type R motor, you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to do
寂
a.
寞的多。
How much? How much?
寂寞啦，你家35 all the way 啊。
35 all the way.
我就别寂寞啊！
It's a little bit expensive, but 拎油啊。
我不要在身上找的接骨灵啊！
Civic Type R pistons in there, like
我有underground 我一度夠啦，都係他種咗我幾塊嘅。
少走了，就那样。
Dodge it. You want like everything's there. I got transmission.
Yeah, come on, John the ground there. That could bug you on.
Oh yeah.
然
Yeah.
后那光那机油好了，然后那光
No,
那，
miss all the you.
啊，
Yeah, miss all the you.
然后那光那我几岁能机油好了？
Because I ran on my turbo and then it lasts 3 years.
Oh yeah, that thing's good. It's supposed to be good. It's actually plus 2, huh?
Yeah, it's supposed to last for like. It's supposed to hold 500 or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's pretty good.
Go on, dude. Oh no, man, just shit. I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know what to ask.
别对，hook it up，
Whatever the price.
Hook it up, the
they
whole thing.
all-
不对啊，如
I
果
don't
对
know
吧？
what to ask.
Yeah.
Fuck, I was kind of excited about but honestly, dude, those are just motors on the side that I'm just gonna flip.
Oh yeah.
I paid Rick to build all that shit up. This guy had everything done, like air feed rod bolts, air feed head studs, new head gasket, fucking the oil pump's still good, so I reused my oil pump. And shit, yeah, pretty much like, it's ready to drop in, but yeah, so you know the thing is, I didn't do a port job because I was like thinking that if I flip it, because like I already offered to buy the head, and I already had the head off. I was like, fuck, you know what? We'll do it something. The next day, we'll start one more. Okay, do it again, don't do that. You know, so I don't know, man. I don't even know what to ask you. It's just family, you know.
Yeah, I've been looking, dude, and I don't want to buy like off the street because
Yeah.
they won't let me take it apart to look at it.
Oh
you
yeah,
know, like,
for sure.
like, I don't want to fucking buy no trash.
I got my shit, I got my shit, head resurfaced, hot tank, but when they hot tank it, they don't fucking clean the carpet. You know, that shit just come off. So then I got the whole block, got the block guard, then we took it to go get a machine so that it fits better. So it's like 84.5. I don't know, man. I don't know what to say. I just barely bought that fucking LZ tank, the oil line in the back, rig tapped the head, you know.
I have a BCC here that's tapped over too, so I just gotta take it to a hot tank
Yeah, see?
and then probably just get
I already put everything down already too.
yeah, I haven't even put my shit back together because I've been so busy. I go to work at 7, I get off around like 7, 8, so
Me too, man. I work at 6:30 in the morning. You don't get home until 7, 8 o'clock.
yeah, that's why I don't have time touching it.
I just barely got off work, and they called saying, "Hey, come over here." So I said, "All right."
So now FedEx is slowing down. I think I have a little bit more time, so I think I'm gonna start piecing it together.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I just want something to just drop in, so I
Might
don't
as
have
well
to
just take my whole
touch it
fucking
that much.
block.
Okay.
These are like indoor or what?
Yeah.
Đối với thấp lỗ đồ à, chị em ôm một đứa em mẹ á.
Oh man. How many grams is this? Like 2 grams or what?
저 또 주다 가서 가졌다. 저또 주다. 우리 또 가서. 나 때라. 빠야나.
Housing shit this year is good.
Yeah.
Probably the best thing I've seen in contact.
This is all his shit.
Yeah. Shane did a good job. Shane
They don't know how to go.
He just wants to smoke weed. You know, he wants to smoke the good
너
stuff.
때가 지금 너가 뭐. 근데 못 던졌다.
Yeah, but let me try and get my shit together.
그
If I
선대
can't fix
이제
that,
스타 부딪
if I
거.
can't get
어때?
that
그
just
같이
block
깽나.
fixed, dude.
깽 이제 나 이제 우리
If
그냥
you fix it,
깽.
it's a low compression piston.
한 번.
Yeah, I was just gonna
Well,
plan around like that.
Yeah.
먼저.
Yeah, I was just gonna plan around like that, and then like
What is
later
it?
on.
What is it? Like 801? Like 901? Yeah, it's pretty low.
So I
But it's
was,
the same shit as like a stock always beat type anyway.
yeah.
It's a 960.
또
So
때.
I was planning to just run it like that, and then later on, if I want
더 하나.
turbo, I'll just buy a whole different set of
또 그때
But your setup was
이제 또 오세.
I wanted a bigger turbo. So what my plan was, take it off, run all motor for a while, get a better turbo setup, get
Okay.
a better
Go.
piping and everything.